kurumirira mawatho maria magathikitwo ni ministry ya wonjoria na iganda ma kweheria wonjoria miariro mabarabara-ini. Kamiti ya bunge igie wonjoria na iganda ni yamukirite mawoni kuma kuri anyiti itemi matiganite aria mararegana na mawatho maya.
These things happen at night, and it happens in a very draconian and inhumane way for these vulnerable. And if you look at the bill, it grants the county executive committee the same powers to decide relocations, even on public holidays. Arbitrarily, almost. And therefore, Chair, we are really requesting that even Section 13 on relocations has to be looked at in a very participatory ways.
Kuringana na anyiti itemi ya mawatho mamwe ta ma kuhura faini mwonjoria wa miariro ya ciringi 50,000 riria anyitikana na mahitia iri ikoragwo iri undu umwe na komauna guoko na kuhinyiriria family iria imehokaga.
In our humble submission, I think 50,000, 200,000, 1 year imprisonment is too draconian for our small traders. What we recommend is all the offenses under the bill are reduced to 2,000 shillings. Because if you think about these traders, there's nothing illegal. They are not different from me who wakes up and takes my car and I drive it and I exceed speed limits and I'm charged 2,000 or 5,000. It's a daily trade. They are mobile, they are moving. And therefore, the offenses should be even lower than a traffic offense.
No na kuri uguo thirikari eteteire kiuga mawatho macio ni njira ya gutuma wonjoria miariro mataburwo ni thirikari niguo mahotage kuoya ngombo cia thirikari na makoragwo na kundu kwega gwa kurutira wira wao kuringana na watho.
On registration and licensing, the bill supports formalization of street vending with the need for simplified, harmonized and technology-enabled system, including online registration and uniform licensing guidelines to improve ease of doing business and reduce compliance burdens.
Ripoti ya ARIA wonjoria bururi-ini ya mwaka wa 2026 yonanitie wonjoria ya biashara nini ni makiria ma andu milioni 14.6 na machangagira gicunji kia 40% kia ukoria wa bururi.
What you are asking is mama mboga ama mwenye anauza mahindi pale ama someone who is hawking tea and mandazi to start complying to Public Health Act. I don't know if we are ready for that. And I know, Honorable Member, you've alluded to this. I think we really need to look at what we are trying to do. Are we trying to create a draconian law that would further impoverish or lead to poverty of this very vulnerable group, or are we going to help them to comply?
Ngirivotera Kameme TV, jitago Mwaura Wagunya.